This tutorial will be going over how to monitor a Roblox game using Server Monitor. Navigate to servermonitor.org and either log in with an existing account or register an entirely new account. Once you're logged into Server Monitor, navigate to the Billings tab and make sure the premium plan is enabled. Now, navigate to the Servers tab on the left-hand side of your screen and press the Monitor Server button. Give your server a nickname and place ID to start monitoring. For example, I will demonstrate how to get the place ID of a game called Arsenal. Finally, press the Monitor Server button in green, which is located at the bottom of the pop-up. Congratulations on following through with the tutorial.